Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bears Got Jokes, the funniest comedy show in the wilderness. Tonight, we have three hilarious bears ready to tickle your funny bone and brighten your day. Let's give a warm round of applause for our comedy trio, Polaris the Polar Bear, Pippin the Panda Bear, and Brawny the Brown Bear.
Good evening, folks. I'm Polaris, your cool and collected comedian. You know, being a polar bear, I'm used to the cold. But I promise my jokes will warm your hearts. So, here's one for you. Why don't polar bears like fast food? Because they can't catch the Arctic hare.
Hello. I'm Pippin, the playful panda with a knack for laughter. They say I'm the cutest bear around. But my jokes are as fierce as my appetite for bamboo. Okay, here it goes. Why did the panda bring a ladder to the party? Because it heard the drinks were on the house.
Greetings, folks. I'm Brawny, the big and burly brown bear with a heart full of humor. Don't let my size intimidate you. I promise my jokes will make you roar with laughter. Here's one of my favorites. Why did the brown bear bring a map to the picnic? Because it wanted to find the very best spot.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed our wild and wonderful jokes.
Remember, laughter is the bare necessity of life.
Have a fantastic night, and remember to keep smiling. Good night, everyone.